Coolum Tile and Stone way back when they were a little shed in Green Oaks Drive. I made a really lovely connection with Chris back in the day, and I always found right from the get-go that they had a unique and very comprehensive range of tiles for a small business that was local.
The beauty with Coolum Tile and Stone Studio is they know their products really well. Advice on products, availability of products, and getting it delivered on time.
So I've used Chris and Gina from Coolum Tile and Stone for a few years as a builder, and I was getting excited about our project that we had coming up, and they've always been super helpful, and it was really exciting to kind of get them on board for something for myself for a change. And yeah, they were great. Go in there really super friendly and go through ideas until we get what we need. We kind of knew what we wanted, but every bathroom we did or every space we did was experimental as well. So we're kind of open to new ideas and speaking to the girls in the shop, and always came up with new ideas for us. And yeah, we just ran with it, you know. So it ended up with a good product at the end of it. We were all super happy with it.